I know from chatting with many of you online and when I'm at events that a lot of you love to fish. For some, it may be deep sea, while others it's off the dock. Then, of course, there are folks like me who fish every now and then and usually don't have much luck. For those of us who do get that fresh catch, even if it's from the fish counter at the supermarket, let me show you one tasty way to cook it. If it's a smaller lake fish like trout, perch, or tilapia, have it dressed, which means the insides are removed, and butterflied, like this. And if it's a bigger fish, then have it filleted. Now we brush both sides with some melted butter, season it with salt and pepper, and cook it on a grill pan for a couple of minutes on both sides until it flakes easily. Meanwhile, in a small skillet, we melt a bit more butter, toss in some sliced almonds, and when the butter is slightly browned, pour it over the fish. Adding a simple butter sauce over your fresh catch is all that it takes. The whole idea is to complement the fresh taste of the fish, not smother it. To get the recipe for what we call our fresh catch with buttered almonds, all you need to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a hook, line, and sinker way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.